Mom, I'm hungry. There's nothing I can eat. Macy! You should say hello to Macy. We are hungry. And you taste good, Macy. I'm hungry, Mama.
Mama, I'm hungry. I need me something to eat.
I can act, I can dance, I can sing, I can rap. And those are some of the things you will need to do to get yourself out of